Alright, hello, good morning mga ka-electrical installation and maintenance. We are here to discuss the learning competency on prepare electrical materials, tools for the task. So I am expected in this lesson that we will prepare a list of electrical tools and materials for a specific job. And also in this lesson, we will understand how to use the electrical tools and materials in line with the job specification. Before we proceed to our lesson, let us first read each statement carefully, then write your answer on your activity notebook. So let us check your answer if it is correct. So electrical task can be accomplished systematically to save time, effort, and resources with the use of appropriate electrical tool, material, and supply. Our lesson that we need to discuss is all about the electrical basic hand tools and power tools. What are those electrical hand tools that are needed for us to do the task in the electrical installation or in the maintenance? What are the power tools that we need to use in order for us to become faster in preparation or in the installation? Our objective in this lesson is to familiarize the different basic electrical hand tools and equipment. Number 2, we will enable to use and select the basic electrical hand tools and equipment in line with the job specification. Number 3, we have to appreciate the value of basic hand tools and power tools. We need to appreciate kung anong gamit nito, ano ito purpose, kung kay ano dapat natin gamitin ng tama. We need to appreciate this one because it enable us to help to become more efficient. Most of the work cannot be done using our bare hands. That's why we have also an equipment. We have power tools that we need to use in the installation. In order for us to do the task, electrical tools or equipment are needed to perform the job. So the following are the common electrical tools and equipment needed in the installation of electrical wiring. So first is the screwdriver. Screwdrivers are tools that are made of steel hardened and tempered at the tip, used to loosen or tighten the screws with slatted heads. They come in various sizes and shapes. The first screwdriver is the standard or flat screwdriver. Tinatawag din itong standard or tinatawag din siyang flat screwdriver. Yung tip ng blade ay wedge shape and resemble a negative sign that is used to drive screws with single slot head. Next screwdriver is the Phillips screwdriver. This has a cross tip resembling to a positive sign. This is used to drive screws with cross slot heads. So yun yung Phillips screwdriver natin. So next is the stubby screwdriver, either standard or the Phillips screwdriver, with a short shank or blade and a shorted handle used to turn screws in tight space where a standard screwdriver cannot be used. So next tool is the Allen screwdriver, correct. This could be in the shape of screwdriver or a wrench. Its function is to drive screw with hexagonal slot head. Next tool is hammers. These are hammers. Hammers are tools used in driving or pounding and pulling out nails. They are made of hard steel, wood, plastic, or rubber. Or the following types of hammer are claw hammer, correct, mallet, ballpeen hammer. Next tool is pliers, correct. These are made from metal with insulators in the handle and are used for cutting, twisting, bending, holding, and gripping wires and cables. The first pliers is correct, combination plier. This is used for gripping, holding, and cutting electrical wires and cables, and even small nails can be cut. They are usually used by linemen in doing heavy tasks. Next tool is side cutting pliers. This type of pliers is used for cutting fine wires, yung maliliit na wire, medium or medyo malaki, or even big wires and cable. Next tool is, yes, that is long nose plier. This is used for cutting and holding fine wires, yung mga maliliit na wire. This can reach tight space or even small opening where other plier cannot be reached. And it is used in making terminal loops of copper wire. Next tool is wire stripper. A tool used for removing insulation of medium-sized wire ranging from gauge number 10 to number 16. So, may gauge number lang. Sa gauges, yung sa liit ng wire, so from number 10 na wire la to gauge number 16. Okay? Next tool is, yes, electrician's knife. Electrician's knife is used for removing insulation of wire and cable in low and high voltage transmission line. Bakit high and low voltage transmission line? Because transmission lines, wires in the transmission line is big, mga dagko. So, diri kaya ang pliers makapagbakbak. So, it needs an electrician's knife to perform the task. Alright? Next is, yes, portable electric drill. We have two different portable electric drill, which is cordless and wired. May wire. The purpose of portable electric drill is to use in making holes on metal sheets and concrete walls. Bisan sa wood, pwede siya iluho in making holes. Okay? A small drilling machine with a chuck capacity of 1/4 to 3/8. So, yun yung size na kaya niya ma-hold sa portable electric drill. Alright. Next tool is hacksaw. This tool is used for cutting metal, conduit, and armored shielded cable. Yung mga malalaking wire, pwede siyang i-cut, gamitin. And also to cut metal pipe, pwede siyang gamitin. Hacksaw is the best tool in cutting metal conduits and armored shielded cable. Next, steel tape rule or pull-push rule. Tinawag nilang pull-push rule. Steel tape rule or pull-push rule or sa inyong lengguwahe, sa waray, metros. It is a measuring tool used to measure the length of an object in centimeter and inches. Next tool is multi-tester. Multi-tester, we have two different multi-tester, which is the analog and then the digital multi-tester. So this tool is used to measure the voltage, resistance, and current of a circuit. It is connected in parallel or series with the circuit depending on what to measure. Next tool is bender. Bender is used to bend pipes to specific angle or curves without causing damage to the pipe material. Para makapasok yung wire ng maayos, ginagamitan ng bender yung ating mga conduit, electrical conduit. Next tool is heat gun. Heat gun is a device used to emit stream of hot air, usually at temperature between 100 degrees Celsius and 550 degrees Celsius, or around 200 to 1000 degree Fahrenheit, with some hotter models running around 760 degrees Celsius to 1400 degree Fahrenheit, which can be held by hand. Heat guns usually have the form of an elongated body pointing at what is to be heated, with an handle fixed to it and right angles and triggered, and the same general layout as a handgun, hence the name. Ginagamit din to sa pag-bend ng ating mga electrical conduit na PVC. So yung mga plastic. Blowtorch also can be used as a portable device producing hot flame that is directed onto surface, typically to the solder metal. So pwede din itong gamitin sa pag-bend ng ating mga PVC pipe or the plastic pipe. Next tool is the tool holster. Tool holster is a leather or fabric case for carrying a specific tool, electrical tools on a person. It is used to hold the electrical tools. Next tool is pipe threader. They are one of the essential tools that has the ability and precision to cut threads on the ends of the pipe to both the female and male attachment. So para magkadugtong yung pipe, pinagdugtungan, yung lalo na yung mga metal, pipe threader ang ginagamit. Next tool is soldering. Soldering is a joining process used to join wire together by melting solder. Solder is a metal alloy, usually made of tin and lead, which is melted using a hot iron. Remember, using appropriate basic hand tools and power tools is very useful to us as an electrical student or technician because it makes our work easy to save time and resources. Marami dyan hindi gumagamit ng appropriate tool. That's why yung kanilang installation ay hindi maganda. Okay? So remember to use the specific tool for the specific job. Remember also that when you are working with tools, do not tease or play with your workers while working. Of course, don't forget to like my video, comment down and share, subscribe for more videos.